Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your homemade organic bread, and you can make it that very quick and easy recipe at your home. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Exactly measurements I will link you down below, but to this recipe I used white regular flour and wholemeal flour, warm water, sugar, salt. You will need as well fresh or powder yeasts. In my recipe I used fresh ones, so I'm cutting 25 grams. First step is to prepare your warm water and add some sugar and crushed yeasts. Water is supposed to be around 22 degrees. Set your mixer for medium speed and mix it for around 2-3 minutes. When all ingredients are combined, you can add your flour. At this stage you can add as well 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you can set your mixer for medium speed and let it mix for around 10 minutes. When your dough is ready, you can leave it in a bowl. Leave it for grow for around 1 hour and cover with a muslin cloth. Set your oven for 200 degrees. This is how the look-like mixture after 1 hour. At this stage you can put your pot inside the oven to get it warm. Now you can create the shape you like of your bread. Cut with the knives a few lines that would look great at the end. Now we can cover with a cloth and leave it for another 15 minutes to sit. At this time you can take your hot pot out from the oven and place inside your bread. Cover with the lid and place into the oven. And bake for 30 minutes in 200 degrees. After half an hour you can take off the lid and put it back to get the crunchy skin for another 15 minutes. Bread is nearly ready. Now you have to take off the bread from the pot and leave it for cool down. To get the skin more crunchy, you can place few drops of water on the top. Hopefully you find that recipe useful. If you want, of course, you can go to my Instagram and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye!